In this video, I'll show you how to add or remove users from your Google Search Console account. So the first thing you do is go to search.google.com/search-console/about. Press the blue start button. Once you've gotten there, enter the email address of the Google Search Console account that you have. If you're not sure what that is, it's the account that receives emails about Google Search Console. Go ahead and enter your password. Once you're here, look for the property that you'd like to add or remove users for. The way to do that is by clicking on the URL and the little caret that's to the right of it, the downward arrow. So go ahead and do that and select your URL. Just for the sake of example, I'm going to select one of the random ones here. From here, you would navigate down to the left column and where it says settings, press that and you'll see a few different options here. You'll see ownership verification, it tells you that you're the owner, and down below it says users and permissions. Press the arrow on the right side. And this is where it says the different users that are currently there and their level of permission. If you'd like to add a user, go ahead and press the blue button in the upper right and add in their Google-based email account and the permission levels that you would like. If you want to give them full permission to be able to add users and pretty much do anything on this platform, press full. If you want to give them restricted access where they can only view your information, then press restricted. Once you're done with that, press add. Now in the event that you want to remove someone, you would just press the hamburger menu right here, and then you'll be able to remove the person. In this case, I already have myself here and there's no one else, so I can't remove anybody. But in the event where you had other people on here with you, then you'd be able to press this and remove. And that's a tutorial of how to add or remove users from Google Search Console. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, leave comments if you have questions, and share with others. Thank you.